Yes, we're back underneath my entry. Come on, baby.
I woke before the sun, with flour on my hands, counted up my little change.
Okay, today we're going to go over what indicators I use, and we're going to add those indicators on the chart. If you can see this chart right here, is basically MNQ. It's just basically the candles. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on adding indicators to your chart. This is Topstep account that I have. So basically, if you're using Topstep, this is how you add your indicators to the chart. You will go right here to indicators, click on indicators, look for moving average exponential. Okay, you want to add that. I'm adding so far it'll show you up here, okay, what you're adding. I added 4 of them. And then you'll go off inside of the settings right here. You can change the plot, the color, the inputs, the visibility. So I'm going to change this one. Actually, I'm going to leave this one blue. And I'm going to change this to be the 9-day. It's already on the 9. All right, so we'll do that. We'll go to the second one. Click the second one. Go to settings. You can change this one. I'm going to change it to the 5-day moving average. And we're going to change the color to green. These are the colors I actually use. So actually, let's change the thickness. Let's change it to like 2. Okay. And see what else we need to do. That's cool. All right. So it shows up green. If you can see, we have a green one. We have the blue one. I want to go back and change my 9-day and make this a little bit thicker as well. Okay. And if that's not thick enough for you, you can make it bigger. So it'll kind of help. It's easier on the eyes if it's to your liking. Okay, we'll go to this one, go back to settings. Change this to yellow. This is going to be my 20-day. My 20 moving average, okay? All right, if you look on the screen, we have a yellow one. And we're going to come back down right here. We're going to add the 3-day. Okay, we're going to make that one. Let's do that color, like a burgundy. I think I like the burgundy. Okay, so we're going to add one more. I want to add one more. My 246. Okay, let's make this one orange. 2 thickness, and we need to change the number. The length is 246. Okay, cool. So this is a small tutorial on Topstep, how you would add indicators to your charts. Okay, so let's review what we have. We have the 9, the 5, the 20, the 3, and the 246. Okay, all right, we have, let's do a quick quiz. The blue one is what? That's right, 9. The green, 5. Okay, the yellow is the 20. And this burgundy is the 3-day. And the orange one is the 246. Okay. Cool. These are the indicators that I use as far as the moving averages. And let's go and add VWAP. Go up under here, go to settings. I like mine to be purple. Thickness, let's make that 3. That way that one will stand out, okay? And where's VWAP? Is it showing up here? Oh, VWAP's way down here. Okay. All right. So these are my indicators that I use. These are the indicators that I use. They're helpful. They guide me after I understand what the market structure is. This gives me direction. And hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and leave me a comment below.